In this video, we're gonna look at how you can gamify your classroom through our NEO LMS gamification feature. Gamification is the process of bringing in video game elements and ideas into the classroom. As of now, there are a lot of studies about gamification and their benefits to our students. I have here a class that will add the gamification feature of the NEO LMS. First, go to the left side and go to Games. Let's now add a game. Go to the upper right corner, then click Add. Afterwards, a pop-up window will appear. Name the game. Let's try to name the game with this one. So, I try to use this one inspired by the popular game Mobile Legends. So that now we can now edit the description, add levels, badges, and points every time they accomplish a task. So let's start to edit the game. So I have here a preset description that I want to add, and then just click Save. For example here, join the class in a brand new NEO LMS showdown with your classmate. Physics Legends Bang Bang. Now let's create the levels. Click Add. A pop-up window will appear. For example, the first level is Warrior. If they gain 1,000 points, they will set their level to Warrior. Now we are done creating the levels. Let's now proceed to the actions. So every time they level up or rank up, we can add badges so that they can become motivated. So let's add award badge. Create a badge, for example, Gold Star. And then click Save. Let's continue to add more actions to our badges. Now we are done creating badges for every level actions. It's just that we need to add level actions for every level. Let's now add actions to award them points every time they accomplish tasks. For example, we have here a certain page and then go to the completion. We can always find the actions for points in the completion tab. Next, we click the Add under completion actions. A pop-up window will appear and then click for awards and then award points. So I want to add here, for example, 50 points because this is only a page tag. The important part here is you click apply retroactively. Why? Because when you click it, all of the students will be given points if they've already participated or viewed this page. Okay, click Save. So take note, always click Add retroactively. So from there on, if you go back to the lessons, you can see an activity side portion wherein they're given already award points because they have already accomplished these tasks. You can now see in the leaderboard, if you go to the start, the leaderboard for every points. And then, for the total leaderboard, go to the games, select the game, and then at the right side, you can see there the leaderboard for your students. You can also view the total leaderboard for the whole class. I just want you to take note that this leaderboard is very helpful if you want to see whom of your students are really accomplishing the task properly and due time. So that's it, everyone. I hope you learned a lot in our NEO LMS discussion for this video. So if you have any questions or inquiries, feel free to ask me in my messenger account or email me in our NEO LMS account. Thank you for watching.